Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio, yes, baby. Okoman Radio, yes, baby.
I have everything. Send me wo Yesua, me wo adini nara. Na say Yesu bo me adini na bo me. Send me wo Yesua, me wo adini nara. Na say Yesu bo me adini na bo me Send me wo Yesua, me wo adini nara. Na say Yesu bo me adini na bo me Send me wo Yesua, me wo adini nara. I say yes, you bought me I didn't know me. Send me wo Yesua, me wo adinara. I say yes, you bought me I didn't know me. Send me wo Yesua, me wo adinara. Yes, you bought me I didn't know me. Send me wo Yesua,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I say yes, you bought me I didn't know me. Send me wo Yesua, me wo adinara. I say yes to Bomia, I didn't know me. I have business, I have everything. He wore a riot to Christo, me what didn't know.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Anyone to Christiana, me what I didn't know. Say yes to Bomia, I didn't know me. Say me what you quiet to Christo, me woman, me no me what didn't know. I saw riot to Bomia, I didn't know me. Oh, send me boy, yes, you what I didn't know. I say yes to Bomia, I didn't know you. Say me what me riot to Christo, you what I didn't know. Yesu bomia adini na bomi se mi wo Yesua mi wo adini nara I say Yesu bomia adini na bomia se mi wo Yesua mi wo adini nara Yesu bomia adini na bomi se mi wo Yesua mi wo adini nara I say Yesu bomia adini na bomio hey mi wo adini nara
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes, we are different, yo. Missing my one difference, yo. What's it? Sana difference, sana difference, yes, we are different, yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mechi, anantia, apena me who difference. Missing difference, yes, Yes, we are different, yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes, we are different, yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes, time check. In the studio says Sally 20 after 3. Yeah, the radio says all the end of the day, I sound dumb, you bio. A taxi driver, trotro driver, any uncran crasher, remove me. Hi, Okoman 97.1 radio. Akwaaba driving was to go to our Wuti. Once again, you're from an Kwame Mpere A.K.A from the finest. The man in our culture in me. Mami mama di faster I can see from my Victor Hineda Colisto. I pay my na DJ A Donzi. Me official DJ de Majuma di me nana say. DJ Zigibi. And so me dana session kopa. Ano so na technical na for social media. We call a Facebook live for your Okoman Radio 97.1. YouTube your Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter at Okoman 971. Instagram Okoman at Okoman 971. Nakai. So we are transmitting live from very much Memorial House at Kropone Krapamamfo and Kufu Road in Sope, opposite Parliament Spot. And Hormona Samri Yebutu. Now, this is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Yet the radio says, and being the 1st of December, being the last month, impact month. I already have to know, and this is how once again I start my evening. Mi checha munyina Akwaaba, and the most safer drive. So Akwaaba drive, and as I was to so Wuti. Once again, I am your loyal servant, Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A De Phynest. I remember you not catch you in a man. Yantoy. Tokakra. Near Radia Yamini. Mimi Sadi say. To be. Near Wayababisu. Amania bia mi komu. Let me to my jinji. Kajre nipa. If it's a nipa ni masamko. Engu meni mase. Na mi huwa mane kwame. What you charging me? Testimony. I'll tell the world my story of what you have done. I say God is good all the time. Don't you run your radical so ya way aberabo man safata sasamre. Ya batuntum nyom ya to anyom padia se urade anuonyam. It's say what we thought Lord has forsaken us. Abra ya fi se urade den na chia de akere no urade kasa ye. Ehwo no ka che se epono entem din. Ena bibia tem din. I say to God be the glory for the great things that He has done. Abusia, I still stand by my words and I read unto you Psalm 105 verses 1. Say, give thanks to the Lord, call upon His name, make known and no more the nation what He has done. Mana mama nyina hu ne Awurade aye de ama. Abra ye kwa hu kirem. Abra ye kwa hu ye hiam. Abra ye fe se wiase nyina apoye. Dodo na dan ma chiere a kire ye no. Ya tamfo hu yesi omuti ase. Ye bisa mo say maybe. Mini your problem. Mini your problem pa. Adia no how. Adia no die so. Adia no sambre watete. Mentedi we say nani biri. God speak. I say my baby and Temdi. Me Kasadia Church and not being the first day in the month of December. If you believe in Christ Jesus as your Lord and personal Savior, and what didn't you feel Kodana? What money wouldn't want Barbara Son who Kodana and Samri Ateti, and Jojo and Guasibi up on somebody who are question. Yadi in Miaka. Esan said, at the mention of the name, every knee shall bow, and every tongue shall confess that indeed Jesus is Lord. Esan said, Urade, Abra Yakwa Unyem, Abra Yatuyan Tobianim, Wabrado Kasaye. Now, Bibia Chemdi, and this is our song. We have a testimony. We'll tell people our testimony, and we'll tell them what the God has done for us. Agbe namau, agbe namau, agbe namau, agbe namau. Everybody aye biama me no me no. Ne atiasi ani atiasi me urade. Don't ye wu edi me urade. Nipa dodo wa hine betumi akasa asem we. Me so mosom. Me so bibi biara nka ye nya me kronkron no ho. Atiasefo nyankopon asamre o yetiti be me nyankopon a. Wada ni kokromoti a yentimi nsan ho mmopo. Aye biafo nyankopon. Ewuna bobiri nyame asamre pepep twere so na basamu da biara da. Dada nyame asamre wada ni dusuo si kwan fifiri bu abrefo. Acha so nyame o chama ni so obia so. Ena aye na dom, aye na humobo. Na ye tiasesa akra tiasefo. Musumi January ene ye hyasia. Ensembebre na to ye. Esane na COVID-19 ti. Ba ni nyina chire urade. Ye tiase ye ka tiasefo donzi ye ka ho. Ye ka tiasefo samre matiefo ka ho. Wori twenden. As what hyasia se wo de urade ase. As he give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known among the nation what he has done. Mama manina when you Brazil ye. Oh, I've oh, Yesu, Yeshua Maha, Eloli, the omnipotent God, omnipresent God, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. You are, of course, Yahweh. You've done it before. He'll do it again. He's done it before, and he will do it again. You've done it before. He will do it again and again and again. It is for. And it is for with your soul. Bringing our time to exactly 27 after 3. This is the most first drive, the most innovative, educative, entertaining, exciting drive time in the heart of the capital. This is the People's Program. Wait a year, do na jumedie. Obomadia kopiemu adontin ebri. Ebri ni potamu nyina. Jumedi omadia tumunie. Nyamomadia mbra jase ni mbra monochrome. A monochrome fo nyina jumedie nie. Abusia nyamomadia mbra Okoman. And in Pangin phone, Jumedi or Magia Tumuni. Ye come up on Nifa. Nani Fafonina, Jumedi or Magia Tumuni. Woko Benkuma Benkumso Yalate. Latafonina, Jumedi or Magia Tumuni. And to make catch for fro. Uncle Granny Adishia Sambre Tiaminose. I Okoman 97.1 radio. And this is the most exciting, entertaining drive time in the heart of the capital. Once again, I go by the name of Kwame Mpere. You can call me the ultimate finance on radio. Mami cheche ankrakro na mi cheche obibiara. Na mi kacha ne se Ghana. Baby ayabedu. Any pempesu ewradi peja Ghana akwa akodu. E pempesu asamre ewradi atumu ye odi ehu omadere hu ne mobo. Ye boni nyine che ewradi atwe yaso. Bomi ye hu December. Busumi buzema ne de. Empa bo kire ye se ye nhua ne ye mo eni. Ah, Cabo. Da 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 da. Ah. Mantio. Events are flowing. Ebi kasa. Mantio. Good one. Almost the same. Ma. Sejani this empire. Yeah boy show. Ma me unsa. We onyamia. What you say? Sejani this empire. Yeah boy show. Ma me unsa. We onyamia. What you say? Sejani this empire. Ma me unsa. We onyamia. What you say? Sejani this empire. Come here. Mami Jose, what do you say? You are our Lord and personal Savior. You taught us how to pray. Whenever that we have problems, whenever that we have crises in our life, whenever we thought the world is against us, our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses, as we have forgiven those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. I did it for you now. When you say amen, Kasiapa. Ow. 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 Sejani this empire. Yabayacho. You say, we onyamia. What you say? Sejani this empire. You say, we onyamia. What you say? Sejani this empire. Mami you say, we onyamia. What do you say? Oh my God. It is good to serve the God with a true heart. And it's good to believe in the Most High God. I say God is good all the time. You're not good for ya or Tiasaphonia Kupo meeting Yamia Samuel Wadadi Tibeme Yankopon. I don't know Trino. And soon I must assemble the Biarada. Ah! Nina! Oh! Sejani this empire, Yabayacho. Oh, Yamia, what do you say? Empire, Empire, 32 after 3. And I'll be turning to something different right now. And Chabushia will be turning things around. Like I said earlier on, this is the most innovative, educative, entertaining, and the most exciting drive time in the heart of the capital. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's never going to be the same on your radio. 97.1 radio. Once again, I go by the name of Kwame Mpere A.K.A from the finest. And my man, catch me. Mami Jam Cran Cry. I'm Mutium Wamakasa video so man 97.1 radio. And for Musu Mutium on Facebook Live. Okoman Radio 97.1. Who call YouTube by Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter at Okoman 971. Instagram at Okoman 971. Thank you so much for being part and parcel of this very program. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your tuning in, and I appreciate every single thing that you are doing to support this very program. Namisha Obi Biara, I will tell Jumedie Anopa Ewiani and Yumre. Mama Jumedie has been noted, and also I am not qualified for the most entertaining and exciting drive time in the heart of the capital. Afemiswa Mitie. Yamenyana sir. I am the best entertainer and the most influential radio personality of the year. And it's an say, you know, you made me one. And we need to win this award humbly. What do you say? Station enya 8 months to create me a winning award. And one Okoman 97.1 radio. Baby abe Fabia. Okoman is everywhere. Me boy at you. Mommy who say what you see? Say Jenny is a boy. Kwame me boy at you. This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. And of course, if my DJ is ready, I'm ready like never before. This is the most safest drive. Time check once again, 35 after 3. And this is how I start my evening. Good evening, Ghana. Baby, I will be a memo. Akwaaba.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
That's right. Hey. Yeah.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. 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 Okoman Radio.
And all of the boy be numb. And all of the boy be numb. About one from baby Jenny, hey, baby Jenny. I'm very sweet.
Okoman Radio.
Baby Jenny, hey, baby Jenny.
We are blazing.
And all the baby numb, me see me woo. Naga kina yanki. And Fama kume inagro, Fama kume inagro, Fama kume inagro. We day. And Fama kume inagro, Fama kume inagro, Fama kume inagro.
Okoman Radio.
Mr. Obiba,
Okoman Radio.
Obi-Wan,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, Mandela Market, I want to be watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my the papa, me film. Okoman for my here, Okoman for my Jenina, Mumonio, Yamama Jumapa, and then the palm of the album, and you. Yes, you could have think.
Meja kase Okoman asopua tumori egigete ne toba kobura papa
Abrama maneka say mom's joint back up a man for a kufu Okoman radio oh we are champion what Okoman from my bank Kenya kra ma say baby ya minimum ma gro kra no po awu na do the so bia mitie woni size what
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. Apara Mountain, so Chedi can for Senshiamwa, and Kevin, Ruta, we are fantastic,
And it's exactly 54 after 3. Some radio grammarian. I bet you many man sir. Hey, grammarian,
original,
grammarian,
international,
grammarian. Thank you.
Akabaku.
The grammarian.
Boom.
Thank you. I don't know how to make it. And
Bakusa beka ho.
Dotier. Okay, ti ma me chance here. Grammarian.
Dotier.
Grammarian.
Original.
Grammarian.
International.
Grammarian.
Boom.
Grammarian.
Concord.
Thank you. Concord in
yeah, Concord in the
and you some raging.
Yeah, but today you are superlatively parliamentarian.
Me kasa say me kasa this.
Yeah. Well, I was listening from beyond the oceans.
There's a wood here where
yeah.
And I'll just say
yeah. Me call Obape's cuisine. Na wasi uchia also me famra. Some kind just say 12 me call.
But I'm a meeting or baby.
And the Obape's cuisine. Our Methodist area honomo.
Okay.
On a governor.
Okay.
Governor. Obape's cuisine. The husband no. Governor Nyamiche.
Right. At the moment I afraid you mediation.
Governor.
Governor.
Yeah. Also governor Janshi
Kakra.
Methodist honomo. Now I syncopate Nanedi to. I syncopate Nanedi to vulturize.
Woman only Nanedi in a coin. Say the bear move her. Oh, okay. And you're bad.
We were catching the bird view of the oversize.
No more Henny and Manosani. Okay, I get you, baby. I get you. Now, and what is the latest? Then how much am I Ghana for?
Yeah, Kwame, we are entering into
a new month.
The season of farming.
Hey, debut.
Yeah,
festive.
Friday, Farmers Day.
Oh yeah. Let me season of farming. Yes.
Friday, Farmers Day.
Festive season.
No.
Oh right.
No. I've not grammatized it yet.
And I just open
Debbie. You know, so agriculture, we have more so yes, we are pampering
there's a more clock from
we are pampering the fratulation of the farmers.
And not just a Jumadia, a year Sambre, a Quafoya no
Good.
and a mobile modia.
Good. We are ovation of the clapping.
Not just a moment and to do na
yes,
if you don't know, you follow. Before Kafupe,
there was a giant.
Before Kafupe,
There was a giant.
Before Kafupe,
There was a giant.
I'm going to name Kafupe. He said, I don't know what day. As I already a giant crowd.
Let me news say who Jafuti.
Ah, why? Ora. Chamai.
General Kasa.
After
Katkis. Over from Okasabo. Dictionary. Encyclopedia. I don't guys. Oh, me that me what TV na me who say or say I'm gonna work out. It me shall work out what I'm saying. General.
Over weekend way.
Possible.
Yeah,
possible.
We general check.
Possible.
Weekend way say because
possible.
Na di kukomu komo.
Yeah. Oh, sir, I've alleviated your
this is crack catcher.
Yeah, I've alleviated your
this is catcher. This is bomb money. This is
and he's incorporating with your aggravation.
Oh, thank you. Let's just say Obama basso you madin
good.
Na me share
yes, the upside down of the vehicle was too heartbreaking.
Yes, na just say ebu akoma.
Yeah, too.
Thank you. The general weekend way, general, honorable Dambo.
Yeah.
Thank you. General,
bro, be family.
Now, who say general is talking.
Yeah, number be fair security na asoribenti ontie ni ye be fa number no dey fi security your two men are the security.
Yeah, we have Amo.
General Amo. Yes.
Right Constable General Amo.
Yes.
And your Lieutenant Colonel.
Yeah.
Obo.
Atimo. Yes.
Lieutenant Colonel.
Yeah.
Atimo.
Yeah, they are uprighting at the shores of the equilibrium.
There's a day almost satisfied, no.
Yeah.
General sending your young design maybe unsatisfied.
No, you don't feel home.
I mistake.
I ever had dream.
And I so
no mom. You want Crafophobia is what the form so. On the friend Mankasa. General actually on Christmas gift no. I thought this is what MS target.
Okay.
I thought consider be so MS target. I thought honorable Ukuswa MS target.
Oh body ba.
Na nipa bi wa mitimi mo mudi wo hawie. I thought mo so
ani adi
I just said 31st December.
Next year.
And general chiao. You two chama. Na fe yesra no so. Mo nya no momo. Mo nya no momo.
Mo nya no physical cash ni hu so.
1.7 veko. 1.7 veko.
And
deduction.
Elimination by tactics.
Rough tactics. Eti Kwame anwumre no. You hwe words bia ye de tifie. Ada bia ye ka nanso enye.
Right.
What is obika not milk. And you're not milk.
Not make.
Not nuts. N-U-T.
Not
make. No chidi ye brudo no.
Not
make.
Yeah.
Not make. No about football, my
sorry. We are
any grammatical statement of football.
Not make.
Make. And you're not milk.
Sure.
As any I can no. There be and yes sir. And your word which is a organizer. Organizer. And your organizer.
Valve means valve and I'm my end valve.
Where's a shan debia ufi and you know and one shan so of organizer and your organizer and I feel you'll be back as well. Your football and your football. A foot.
Set foot 9 at the ball. And a 9 so you're 9 in leg ball. But yeah, 9
and you had the only at the ball.
18 a foot, no? Yes. Because when you can't foot, you can't finger.
Yes.
And you can't how many what do you get fingers in we have fingers
Yeah. That's the totalism of the human satoprism.
A foot
ball. And your football.
FOOT and a BAAL.
Yeah.
What I say FOOTBALL.
Football.
That's
and your football. Good. And your food.
And your food lady and FOOD.
Yeah, food.
That's a Biani.
And Ford. And your food. Ford. Only a menu. Ford.
Don't kind of blood.
Yeah. Blood.
I know any blood. Blood.
Oh, kind of blood. I was only a
blood. Blow.
Yeah.
Maybe me a literature can cry.
Yeah.
Normally, book.
What was that?
Yeah, proper English.
Sounds, consonants, nouns, those.
And I you can't sandwich. Yes. And you got me. I don't know. Anna Bako, I had drink. I will fear. You can see deliveries.
Delivery.
Deliveries. You can deliveries. I dribble. Oh, dribble.
You dribble.
I dribble.
No cry word change means something double.
Yeah.
One or more.
And you can deliveries. And you
dribble.
Dribble. Oh, dribble. No. And you have to I think the Europe will be a dribbler. Hazard.
Messi.
Messi.
So,
Messi, sir.
What's it?
When Messi was him.
Me go away. Me go away. I got to go to Grand Gahami. Messi no go to go near has.
Oh, no, I has it.
Now has
Messi has it.
Messi. Messi no. The boss ball on him. Go. What I say? You know, dribblings.
Thank you.
And your dribblings. And the young channels was
right.
Now, came of Freddy. And when you force us, 80
it's time with the grammarian.
Original.
Grammarian.
International.
Grammarian.
Concord.
Grammarian.
Dottier.
Grammarian.
Boom.
Grammarian. Fajaya Pai.
And to come, no, nutmeg. And a organizer and a football.
That's right.
And a dribblings. And your dribblings.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
So I shirt myself to button my zip.
Oh yeah,
I shirt myself.
That's all the baby
to button my zip.
And then that's all to Tony.
Yes, and reverse my gear.
Yeah,
for tomorrow overrolling.
Yeah.
That's right.
Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Okay,
and the him crossing and the him crossing of everything.
Him crossing, yes,
say
the boy no because I'm out to your boludu about 6 or 6
miludu.
David 6 miludu. 6 may lead you.
6 may lead you. Yeah. 6 may highest number. 6 may the highest number.
6 miludu. And my I'm the boss 6 miludu. My boss 6 miludu.
Yeah, 6 miludu. 6 may lead you. Who's a 6 no? That is now.
Right.
That is no. Number 2 ludu no.
Right.
And the highest number.
All right.
I said see as home but 1 city.
Grammarian.
Original.
Grammarian.
Concord.
Thank you. I'll be right back. Grammarian.
International.
Thank you.
Boom.
Basa power. Chese wade na aka na nsa peda be wo friends and aduan fo chese MC Kransem basa bi no ka kire ama my basa mi hunu amiyem.
Me do kan wa koma to yem. Me ne Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Me you live pub and restaurant din komo dada. Wedding, funeral, float, and as parties ahodwa. Omutimi hihye dwumadi esronkoma na ya akono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, nkonwa any tables a owo ni josopo wo ho.
Chese one that will be a very imagine a fefesa no
one eba stage crowd ya wobema stage sonko and one Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. You like pub and restaurants so why a crowd say enuane papa and nsa papa whatever ho at the amount wo man fie kwapem omo ben Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. And you like pub and restaurant omobema wedding no ayekiko pesa ne anokoma atani was
oh mama many aje
happy people
Okoman Akwaaba Okoman Radio 97.1. Stay Promotion media man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes, and it's a solid 10 after 4. And then a year 1:12:21. I mean, Castle Coachalo to about try now. We need you out to me. Single one 12:21. Uko chat now did ya. And yet, Sane o tell me, Onushishi. Very remy. Oh, mom, Kakra, no, my mom, brother, I'm so Kakra. And bra. Hello.
I am in a stage of tendering.
Hey, several. I was your me bomb your most accepted segment. Your friend the road safety tip bed. Okoman. A Kwanso high. As I said, the bro. Na minsaka minyaba. Nana. Ama odabia intino so dia yawo so dia koshiu Kwame enti ye nyina ya piem
ye pe.
Enti nana akoshua odamia atenase. Alright.
Mina men can't from him. Mina men can't from him.
What to mitika asem.
Me.
Na no guy.
Me. Nyame kan ne enka dem ya.
TV no so afa.
And that TV ne be delay. O da say TV ne be delay.
TV ko zigi.
TV ne be delay.
All right. Nana. Oda me mo Akwaaba.
Yeah,
the boy can't say more.
The boy am me who dream me.
Yeah, no money who ye tipa or the way betu. In fact, maybe some mummy and me yam or my office or. Why, Miss Level? Mummy and me see me yarn the boy in Amsterdam.
Then I go hospital. Doctor Juam was a mammy.
Let me here. Mummy and me here.
Doctor Juam. Now, baby, a doctor Juam say, I'm a man. And I was a doctor Juam.
Someone will catch me. Anania watching your call radio so dia fan no da me.
Na so bi anti makola simlem so mote den.
Sa me mete.
O te den.
Ana minister general manager onu so tie.
Disclaimer.
Enter me bisa.
Disclaimer.
Atama ko kire.
Me say disclaimer.
Okay.
That disclaimer.
Nana ni eti a woti manim no. Yes, matum insa fremu. Me pese general be ba bisa me nsem ya mo be kire mo ansa mabo na mane.
So bisa the boy.
Ode.
That way.
Sunday o be bisa me.
Me point ten. What you trying there?
Not much general.
Me point ten.
And some people general mane.
Yes. Yes. 7 10.
Let me friend say ya me pop my friend. Nana.
The finest.
The lectures are Odema a driver for.
And then mebo ni teo sanya enra me ye no na fe ye the voices number sanya enra me kan say ye be no enen so ye scientist mountain so e bisa ye say road science e wo ho no e bi ni den e na den enso na ye na mo man sana me kwa no so na ene kakra me de be me ka che a driver for wo bra ye to this week esi wo say road safety
also be ka che for
a driver for
okay na ago the medi menom mesu ye jaika etino ye ka driver for thank you enti twaso
enenu me ka cho mo say omunam kwan say yesre mo over speed you know omunte so emayen na afen so aya driver for ni bi kaka obi otumi ni nsa ni na efi so pacho sa Rambo style no Ghana na ewo no yembe yes
style ni eden
Rambo style
Rambo no na ohwehwe ti okukuku
no skills go be ma ya
Rambo
ya kwan ne de so
okay iti eno mo na mo friend say Rambo style okay iti eno ye Rambo style the Rambo style
Rambo ni dia kata ne Sylvester Stallone
anti me ka Rambo style ya
Rambo ni edi na oye film no
Sylvester no
he's the onanim as an anim sabi as a chaka kakra but he's the highest paid Hollywood artist actor
okay right yen to aso na
enti no no ye be se omo se wo kaka at least so the way you unsa krama ba ko enka o hu ala o stia no so ye enyu unsa ni na emfi so na
enye se wo yi keche oko Lagos no ni pocho so chale eje gajo ni efe gajo fi o saro no le gajo be roll bicycle re be ara ke roll ni enwo bari ase wo roll na eti na wa e grind na house that's about it matro mu
oh the one kind now can ask and can for na ya azan bi aso siboto for kan no kwa olemi ona
tawni baby ara meteno baby ara meteno dance man ye for kai bobi e hona menyi enti no ufi kai nso a wokọ zone 6 man probi ni agege ni 205
okay
na ubo wura mu petwokofo na ni entia na wo mechi nso a ye fra ba bi mpoase
okay
mpoase no for no so ye typical guns it is a mechanical na me mani yo husa na ye estate boys
okay
and I grow nyina ye dis ye di one poase zone 6 ni 205
okay
and if we call last stopper your baby ye fro onum begbese
okay
begbese no nyina oti begbese no so oti begbese mi no ta o ikebu e person just en kremu typical
on kan no ye en kan sabi atotomoto for de ni bi Modu.
You know, and bear in mind, say, my papa in crying half and a fancy.
Oh, fine. Fancy, what you say?
Fancy, okay. Fancy go, my bad. All right, toss it.
The finest sentinel, and then any driver phone A Dabi, Usimen car drivers.
Thank you.
It's driver phone, and you Mokasai. Near be so almost a road signs, Nebini Dane, and a day sooner a patch, and to say, and
a driver phone a car. Thank you.
Pacho, good afternoon. Pacho, Okoman Radio ni na yeni ashenka furi di nkomo bronya ribe ye bise bisaniama pi na sani ebe ya yotumi e de acha foforo nso a wonim na na ye bisa se road signs aye wo kwan ho no aya ebi ne nchase ne den na se si aye hu se signpost bi si ha na obi se wo hu se obi crash over wo signpost bi ho a dem po na wo as driver no e pa ache
actually say men at work.
Okay. Say when I'm now got to say actually 50 over. That means say speed now with the ban say more than 50. I say we limited speed do not about 50 and I say a cut down because maybe I can't run away to crew and I say a horror nipple trim and I say curve will be all.
Oh, traffic light in India. Red in India stopping and I yellow near getting ready to stopping. Green in there, I go. We move to me famous, and I'm here to make us at any time. And the other follow here, our corner to Brunyaba, your Poquantin, your Kwaba, your Bussian, until there are for money from Amaya Fiwe, and my Akonjabia see or die Capon with you, a Pomitobe, Damasi.
Dan Pachoyo who say, Quanso, I are not your black and white stripes be a war form. I friend is zebra crossing. Why Wakako driver need them pan I bet to match say zebra crossing no air.
Okay, me didn't the Kwame too. Now they open the driver will crop on here. Na zebra crossing a while, you driver for a while. Baby, need so. And me particular me do me my driver to throw a crown money at the fine. I say, we did not crowd, we did not announce with Gina man so we can grant say mate. And now when we are man of science so make your ma usru. Obetime gina wa kuzi se bia nta ma drivers no so no emu nipa no so ase won so san drivers no so ni so na wo ni so ntina mo bia ye ne ono ape nke wo se anka driver dudu wa wato obo bi obi gina horo beso twema wato obo na wa ma na twem sana nka ekire ba harum ni particular di me hu se ire gwa pema na ye mfa sa de nya adwuma obi aduwa na watwa pa so na okọ nje ho na me de aya na ha me kakra.
Entino eneno sei ena omone ye kan na ye be sen ahwe se ochena nso ye be kọ se nyame pa nyame ya adoma
the road safety tidbit hour a driver for science bi omo hu omo kwantempo so senia omo fa krampo esifa no obi say wa driver trotro kakra won kran wo hu say omo de omo makwan kra say afoforo metwam a na dane asem foforo ochire mu ama yeti ase zebra crossing ne kra no ogina this on one sama pedestrian no wasama na konya say o betwam ansa wanye sign bia na ye bibia ho but all the same you know ye kai etiefo ne adofo driver for titiru ni mu a mo bronya bere mu betutu akwan bebre akomia bebre. I want to tell you this is a humble appeal from Okoman 97.1 ekwanso jojo asema ye no mo kan say bro nya du adofo tu kwan driver eno mo nsa enfan drive driver momadia say wo hu road signs na you respect it because baby a wo ko bia no ye wa hyensude bia e kire say kwan ne ti sei kwan na ye sei wo nimu a ya botre driver ni ya watimi akodu asumdwe so a yante asemboni bia etibro nya bre accident asipa wanya careful ayese bus we adane abutu wanya careful ayese we yesi wa ha wanya yese ka gba obi wa ha eno na Okoma bro nya bre yegusude to ya kwan so the drivers safest drive agana fo nyina aja to Okoma Akwaaba drive so say yebetumfo kakra sa se yebedi bro nya bewie and even after bro nya no kra no yempese yebenya accident report bia last time I check here Eastern region alone na accident esi wa hakra is about a year 1,750. 1,750 Eastern region. Last time that was around February. Now me war me former station me yeah Ekwaso Jojo tidbit here, and now it was about 1,750, and the whole Ghana was around about 3,700 and something. Bro, it was about percentage. I remember it vividly because me bought money and research about it. Now me percent me who near cost where you quantum pon so 80 no. Alright,
The Phynest.
Yeah.
And sana me the best in my end station master se pa.
Okay.
See a friend Burkina.
Buffman.
Aye.
Obi asi bookman. Boof.
Oh, okay.
BOOTH.
Okay.
Man.
Oh, okay.
Buffman.
Boof.
Ain't you know? And you bookman. You're from bookman. You're from Buffman. Man. So I'm booking for border so as that's what I say. You share the right word, look at it, and you look at the meaning.
Okay.
BOOTH. Boof. Man. Right.
I find that not traffic lights now. I may yeah. No, say red and here stop.
No. Red means stop. Get ready.
I was getting ready to stop.
Yellow means get ready. Green means go. And no, you are a product of Okoman Mpere.
Yes.
When you see a traffic light, there is something you should know. Red means stop. Yellow means get ready. Green means go.
And go.
Me da say one go Okoman Mpere I say. Anyone I say, Yami sure baby. Abushia mame koji abua from Kratomra. Na me koji Kratoni ba enche. Yeah, the world of sports in here cause the latest and update about Ghana Premier League muni ni akika hu nyina no. Yeah, the bro e wo Okoman Akwaaba drive you so. 97.1 radio 23 after 4. I'll be right back.
Chawajo enkrofo yɛ timi amo ni ma me de besi bidan nyina na o ma ka chama me sei
krachi adan wo yɛ hoho wo akuapem ha wonti Ajapa ye construction and general merchant in Ghana eba quarry block 5 inches and answer 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and answer 6 inches sana hollow block 5 inches and answer 6 inches tie sa wo pe abo e de asidan sa wo pe anya e de asidan sa wo pe nsuo e de akɔ side and answer binding wires eba building materials dia wontimi ntwa Ajapa ye construction and general merchant wonta Sani say omo enema discount ewo ade bia wo beto bia wo ma so e cement kura de enkoho water cement nu anansa miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery wo betimi afra Ajapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwari na wo pe ewo track mu anansa tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi wo pe stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrɛw Ajapa ye ewo dew Pem Wabendel filling station no ubetimi from and 0244 719814 0244 719814 Kayo sawo ya party engagement aye anase bi biara wo ye bia wo nya live band Ajapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nnwom amo feel te Ajapa ye live band na ubeti ni de yie abushia ubetimi afre and 0244 719814 Ajapa ye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor for adam for
Money, Okoman Akwaaba Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My say, Opragasa Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend of Yo, radio Bacopedo Pesa Utia, intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, who decide?
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Pesa me kasa me feel good I feel judge yourself. Okoman yenso ni na ne power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Baby, sweetie, darling, baby, sweetie, darling, darling, sweetie, baby, darling, sweetie, baby, baby, sweetie, darling, baby, darling, sweetie, baby,
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
My girl, I love the way you do. I love the way you shake. All day, I need you, I need you,
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. 97.1. Okoman Radio
97.1. Okoman Radio. Okuji on my Okoman Radio. A Jim A.K.A mine. DBATA 97.1. Okoman.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. I want to be watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my de papa. Me film. Okoman for my mark here be woo. Okoman for my Jenny na Mumone yo. Ya mama Juma pa and then the farmer the abo man you. Yes, you grandma sing chi.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Yes, baby. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, Mandela Market. A one me watching Castro back no size. Okoman for my de papa. Me felem. Okoman for my mark ye be woo. Okoman for my jenina. Mumone yo. Ya mama jumapa. And then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing tree.
We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Yes, baby. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Right, time check is exactly for 1 past the hour for 4. That is 41 after 4. Samri, the writer, the commentator, Tenase. Emra Society did the latest and update in the world of sports. Eddie Bravo. Right about time, Eddie Memo Akwaaba, writer. Bibi Abako,
oh, boss, you have to.
That's right. You go so happy,
yes.
Ona aka bro, we say skirmishes, no.
Yes, skirmishes.
Yes,
yeah. Oh yes, and it bros a syncopation. What you say?
It really there.
It bros a syncopation.
One of the boys sometimes let me show grammar competition.
Oh, the boy, that won't to me. Oh, that won't to me. Dabi.
Oh, yeah, sure.
We started a long time ago in Bethlehem.
Yes.
Those kind
do
of things,
dance for.
Oh,
in class the boy into me.
No,
the boy into me.
Where is he going? Where is he going? Where is he going?
So
he can't
be bro for no you are.
Where's a boss?
Practically grammatism.
When we are trying to elucidate when
the human aggrandizement of human autonomy cannot be compared to the vandalism of the human mathematics.
Friday holiday open grammar. Grammar.
That's all to professor.
I'm grammatically myself. You say Friday. I'm grammatically myself today.
What are you kind of saying?
I need to be.
I
speak good English.
Friday.
I don't speak
Friday.
Botanical English.
Friday is agricultural day. The raining of the growing of crops, raining of animals for human consumption and for industrial use. That is Friday. I'm not going to catastrophize myself. No.
And our crowd won't say
the mathematics is not today.
I'll say
No. I don't interfere, you know. I don't interfere.
Don't fumigate.
Don't
fumigate. You're fumigating. Don't crossbreed yourself.
Hey, crossbreeding.
Yes. Shouldn't crossbreed yourself, man.
Hey,
the finance. My time is forced. Let me do my best. When he want to face battle,
no, he shouldn't crocodile the caterpillar.
Crocodile and crossing caterpillar.
I will jaundice him. I will jaundice him.
You do what?
I will jaundice him.
And so we ask you.
The finals.
Anyway, and 1/12/21.
Wow.
Date, you know, special date.
Wow.
Single one. Single 12/21.
Yes.
Who try now, dear? By Remy. When this way, Remy.
The finals. I don't know. Castle try because. Yeah, the predictions be chroma. Yeah, start here pack. You say chroma man for eniate. You say eniate. Back me no boy ya. Obi fresh ya fa no man ye ya o. Killer found crown fashion and baby.
Aha
mighty.
What's your mutual mudia?
Remy.
That's epileptic and win.
That is. Hey,
predator, you know that.
Now,
epilepsy.
The finance, he has enough first the December. The man open up my market can't
Marco.
And the first December 1963. Yes. 58 years ago. And at the Blasters of Ghana, a job first AFCON.
Wow.
58 years ago.
58 years ago. Any idea first
AFCON.
And then no captain on my idea first.
Was it and Griffin, yeah, Murphy, you know. Yes, Murphy. Anya Griffin.
There's one player. Ohinibi no Olate. Oh yeah.
Also winning.
He was the player. I'm a winning. Like the first one. He was part of
Emra say I did the latest in the world of sports. I did, bro. It is I'm the writer and commentator. Over to you.
Okoman Radio.
Wo, mefa ya agodi mu nsama ntua so dwumedi nso information for sane ya no ya so wo fia anu atobo ase aye ya sere kakra sa what is radio no yesua de kakra na sere so de abom na bia so no etumi akonka the writer commentator ni yes A.K.A ono no say say friend A.K.A and I guess ni yada de pa you know ono bo mention self road I don't come on camera fan no. Ever since the fee a women Super League no Yamen Chad yes. Semi-final no say na common is yet Yami Adumoch na Bubu Kwantini and Pimda Kwa ladies any Azakes Lidberry in terms of so and a lady strikers Sabaton sa Afre prisons ladies ano Ayotna given a better ja or Madina Astrotev Hormo and the women Super League of semi-final no ebet me akoswa hon commerce no enye Fediagro Kaisano so as the Black Princesses of Ghana Yamen Chad and Dra Wamu Ebu Maketemo Kopimo our Zambia way 2022 FIFA Under 20 World Cup no first leg encounter against Zambia no and a head coach Oradin Mr. Ben Fuku Papi and Okoman Akwaaba say yes ladies no almost 3 months our camp no show friendly games and nyame bia girls near the boy girls no my your margin say nyame adoma memenenda o man travel nkrofo ndi class abe na yen friend Ben Fuku.
Thank you very much. I think it's about 3 months ago we started the campaign, making sure that we can have a formidable team to represent the nation. At this stage, you can see that we are now departing to Sukaka. We prepared very well and have some series of friendly matches which we are always positive of winning the game. So for now, as we are going now, we just have to go there and make sure that those players we picked, we're making sure that we can give a good result so that we can beat the nation.
Into way and Okoman Akwaaba yes Ben Fuku what you ba yes the imagine 80 for na yes every yes every we do no deputy captain and my man yes also the Okoman Akwaaba by as a girls no on my ready so my Ghana on beti enim
should expect a lot from us because we have been in camp for about 3.5 months now, so I think 3.5 months is enough for me. It's enough for us to have a good preparation, and we are going to make ourselves proud and make Ghana proud too.
Enti Evelyn Bedu and come on na sentemo head coach Edmabu Kwadene Omina Sharks ni Odatelamti onu se papa Okoman Akwaaba se papa ne the letter tin first page second page ama Gramelian Krako release letter and the man pin for us why do you want to resign us team no o shaman 14 mo an wo soro am depend of one to say team no we gentlemen attribute say ni yan it say team we say to boss letter no we try go long time ago in Bethlehem.
My decision was taken last week. I'm saying winning baby any good stars. But if you say me India, me befa Sharks and say more problem. I'm say to avoid relegation befa team now, which I'm say that aim subsidy say I'm more for relegation. And then after now I have to step down. But then I'm say no, I'm saying continue before on the pool. So I decided to hold on. But I'm say after 5 matches, and I'm say I win me and I home me no. She say paper side now, you have a take you and be late man. I mean, I can see it clear because they think they were there before I came. So Campo Croman could be if you say you go on, let's have to cut this. I'm a young coach. I think I'm able so within the same image. So because we share even some of more attitude now, more the bobo now. So it's better maybe a better person can maybe of course we have better coaches who are more than me. I can handle them to put it in a better place. In general, me lose you, me win you, show me data. I mean, let I ready that.
Yes, the finance. No. Let an I ready da. The finance in fancy time. The and an Americano 1st December 1963. And the Blasters of Ghana edging the first AFCON trophy at the AC Nassau after Sawachi Sudan. A bonnet 3-0. Accra tournament ne to Jawon Crime. Yes, to Jaw the capital. I'm on which Sudan Bomo 3-0. Agrifian and a Dorako and a Bogos no Edma the Black Stars of Ghana 58 years ago. Yeah, she said why and the best idea who trophy impo. Who be charged that time now Gramelian Oshana do be say 18 years old. Usa
you are trying to Bobosian the hanky panky of my age.
you want us to start?
Yeah, and
when we start, the show will be this thing.
And that will be Nicaraguan statistic on my
Nicaragua. Hey, you want to interfere?
No, it is Honduradios to say By then I was
a crew who say Honduras ni a crew.
Tonga so a crew. You know, by then na me ni baby yeah. Yeah.
63?
Yeah, 63.
I was born at that time.
Okay.
Yes, because that time I came and I saw and I conquered. After that, I went back to my mom's womb.
Okay, by then I was doing the caricature of the human anatomy to move the plastics of the human keys so that the thing will be broken of the.
Well, I'll grow up my little baby.
The finest. Yeah. House of folk, I'm with you. Omne AJS Rara.
JS
Rara.
Yeah, chidi and with ras.
Opa Chasona and JSS.
Because Sana Shara say Ghana for Yentimi and Koi. A two body Sharas.
Okay.
Ebe Japan.
Oh, Tim Bang.
Me.
Yes, Waka.
Oh. And I'm a Manchester United.
Oh, and I went
ready.
Dabi.
The finest I cannot quote. The house to me. Class I had a year. I'm a common zone. I'm a common zone. And ya no say woman to me. Aye. The net in for your dear Drew.
My
dear Drew. Who are Motium?
I only has to follow us.
House. Who are Motium?
My
house be common zone party. I can soon talk never as a marry.
Oh, okay.
A basic
house be called one zone. I can soon talk never as a marry. Hey, you rather got with me at now. Kwame Mpere.
The finest man facing.
Right.
I'm going to produce and I say, your friend A.K.A, the whole nationwide. Guess, in a Yadano. Odu China. Your friend also hold. Yes, presenter in the Eastern region. In the Eastern region.
That's right.
We got you. All
right.
And
you're
one family out there. Would we give you the family? Family.
All right, 53 after 4. And Ghana, this is the most fast drive in the heart of the capital. Akwaaba Drive on Okoman 97.1 radio. Enter, get it the almighty. And you drive talking on. You're to the Okoman Court. Yeah, bro. But right about time, there any time kakra. Not yet, none I want to set on. No one young boy and Tico say Ketro. What I say. John Peter A.K.A JP. Baby, I will be a Michiao. Anna for Okoman Asar Bediako. Bediako din fatana kono. Perima Wubosi. Ujira onan so peme sabu apapo. Dupont Cropon Assemblée. Wadani Duzio si kwamfi firimbu abedefo. Baby, I will be a chiao. Director 2 and the Director 1. Ye checha munina. Dr. Poku Benson. Sabi bi abako dia. Eja ye chiao. Yabo be se amunyi mutu. Na mi chia ma salo. Salo menu. Applause new. Acro Farms new. Shoe Fabric new. Okoman new. Group CEO baby I will be a chiao. And for chairman Ononyamfo Kisiedu Ento Kwapon Akra na umpo mo today. Me jabri se bibia abako de. Na minchi adwumayefo amowo Acro Farms. Gideon. Me aminu abako pe bibia abako de. Na fe minchi amowo Shoe Fabric. Adwumayefo amowo nyina from security. Abina wa bibia abako de. I consider the last person or na Femichia project manager Jeffrey Akufubuate. Mamicha na no Corey. And also your head of sports will fear her. Afe Abushia Makanyina. Michechi Momoso more applause. Big masso. Woni Obi. Abine wan se bibi abakode. Na nyame part 20 seat A.K.A Do sport work upon a crapem. Ebe giri. Ampaya ebe chesa ampaya ebega. Na me kai will say the biggest love feast. Ebe baso. Ewo A.K.A Do sport. So ati asiye. Enti abusha mbomania. Na share 20 seat. Odre didi no. Ebeba so ejedu sport. Madu odre ye. Your mama di anya odre didi no. Ni ewu sampo kwapeman. Ye ne ye de bai. Wati ase e. Yewo my A.K.A. Hey, Don Pablo, say bibi abako there. Hey, Pablo dio. And your fresh shakes in sunny. Ye ba no man bio. Me pon asani I will share me bono. I send radio na. Okay. Shout outs going out to you. Daniel Ayeyi creepy. Say bibi abako there. Abusia di nyompa. Ezane say de Nyankopon tweri ampo kwa me na ase. Biribiri ba se kubasa yi adom no so de nne de adom me no mienu. December bosumi yedi kankra. Iti catch out of for say it is war and it is war with your soul. Hopefully no December will also bring something good. December the and the papa bi baba ya akwa mu December so the ayen koso yedie sika ana fe samre ekurum baba ya afamu. Enti Ghana Africa mo amutie mi bia ba bia mubutu bia. Akwaaba drive no masukusu amutie. Once again, I am Nana Kwame Mpere. You can copy the ultimate finest. And mama nyina catch you in me. Enche Akwaaba drive. Asamre. Ye most authoritative, entertaining, so exciting moment. E wo dwumade yi so. Me kire Okoman court no ye be bro. But right about time dey yin nyum kakra.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. I want to make a watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my A.K.A De Papa. Me feel them. Okoman for my market. Oh, Okoman for my A.K.A Mumo yo. Ya mama do my pa. And then the farmer the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing chi.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio
97.1. Person make us me feel who I have to judge yourself. Okoman, you should na the power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, a Jim A.K.A mine. DBMT 97.1. Okuma.
Abrama Maneka said, Mommy's joint back up. A man for a Kufu Road. Okuma Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okuma from my bank and you. Kenya Kra, what say the Bia? No, Rockra, no poor you are not good. Just be until you size. Abrama Maneka say, Mommy's joint back up. A man for a Kufu Road. Okuma Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okuma from my bank and you. Kenya Kra, what say the Bia? No, Rockra, no poor you are not true. The soup be empty. When it's size what?
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, a Jim A.K.A mine. DBMT 97.1. Okuma.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Patrol from me, Samuel. Many Japan says like a minya akoko from me. Munti, Monko City Okuma Radio, a station papa.
Okuma Radio, Kongela Papa Yole, Okuma Radio 97.1. No fair, no connection. Okuma Radio 97.1. When get the sports, so much love, Penowang and Yone.
Okoman A.K.A De Phynest. Okoman Dinia Okoman the Kuaji Okoman A.K.A De Phynest. Okoman Udu Okoman Okoman.
Ayame Adelaide Dubu, me war Parliament Sports. Mene Okoman Radio training. No wireless check the piano po a yo and the phone and Okoman. It is somewhere with your Okoman. So dear what is them pack with Damase.
Your friend me a Kwame Mpere A.K.A Masina Junction number 1. Na Okuma Radio ni de bia yeti. Okuma Radio we are number 1. Na mishra mfa.
Okuma Radio de a radio papa. Sai driver for BT. To be am radio into Okuma. Now the radio to Okuma ya. Ube hu paso ya waso. Your friend me kwajo abrabo 1 me amini.
Seden is near Okuma 97.1. Ofrinchi French a we chiri so friend wa enche. Okuma Radio back up.
Okuma Radio, within the J that have on your opposites. Okuma face papa, Obianti, Ofan, watch the baby, our demand.
Pesamika said, Mimi feel who I have judge yourself. Okuma, you so na the power.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. A one me watching Castro back up no size. Okuma for my de papa, me feel Okuma for my market, be woo. Oh, Okuma for my Jenina, Mumone yo, your mamma Jumapa, and then the farmer the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing chi.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Pegasa Jan Edu, and some Poloman a friend of yo, radio back up pedo per se with ya, intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we size.
One for meeting the Reverend Benji, Michi Okoman FM 97.1. Every Columbus, Ohio, USA. Okoman, we are too awesome.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, a Jim A.K.A mine. DBMT 97.1. Okuma.
Master Mutia, a foot chair, maybe two more. Now, the master corners. Radio station, Mamma, my argument said, Mobile Beyond, Total Telegram, and Yam, what young when you're ready. Very young. If we say, no quarter ayera, it will be a second of our bay, me, a Gropon will be a new hour, I own some, but that's so kind of mopa modon yanka no bare ko ya no de mo ye den obaya no mo ye ukumodi yanka mo ntumi mfere tumi ntumi so ye unkum na mo bi no kwara ye mo adwuma ko sisa ne asa papa ani afa
Okoman Radio kongela pakpala yole Okoman Radio 97.1 no fe no kone no e ko nyetu
yeah, our friend Kwame Mpere A.K.A. We go back up. Okoman Radio 97.1. Number 1. Make sure radio A.K.A. na issue the big Okoman Radio number 1 so yep. Yeah, number 1.
Otra tuition. Okoman Radio mamba mon transi moniyo ofie ni fie Okoman Radio papa your friend T Frost no elbugwa day in day out there my radio no na da Okoman Radio 97.1 ti mesra mo bibia amfane de ntona ni mapa eho ema munyina
your friend me Grace Okoman Radio you are the best number 1 Aquara Mountain so chedi kamfo yenhia mo a enkebede Ruta we are fantastic ankata
Midinde upon Sophia because if you let them say joints back up Ekufu Road Amanfo Ekropon Okoman Radio Enwa na yetie obi amfa na fidie ento Okoman Radio 97.1 bidas
ACP Kofi Burachi Okoman FM de Korea Mantem aso sin edikanfo niema worye na wogusu ye na wobeye no se yade to nseni ani a na chese Okoman edamufua won niema bia wo kanso wodi so achede a woche mi Kofi Burachi ACP didi hu adanse se meje mpanga bien ya ka na se yade won ase ya bo won atena se preko Okoman de yeta mo achi preko pe sani ampanin kan no o se ofie ni fie Okoman de obia enti Okoman FM
Living the Gilbert, the sea Abadate, Okoman Radio 97.1. My idea, my auntie, Babadamas.
Yo, Midindi, Abrimpong Troy, CEO of Abrimpong Clothing, Okoman 97.1. One ATU, where Jeff.
Assalamu alaikum, Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, Monfo Fremi Yaro, Munti Okoman Radio, da Dedasi.
Any yasu ye bet your Okoman Radio da. Yes, it is what it is on radio. Radio just got excited. We mean Kwame Mpere over to me from the finals. The man you know catch you anyway. The late Dasibere Ahwonfe jumping on this one. Love this tune die. Vamos. Harry Sherry, other Sherry Wafumo. And your woman when is here to anything another me had your young cocker her crown assembly in Akuma Kote. But I had them cry a match swano, never swan wa pump near Bonnie don't come me. Near just some for Suina. And let the boy said the wig now was a craft for telling him. Ain't Tiana no cabin the vecino. No, I was a cabin the vecino.
Cotterism.
And I just say Abion. Hey, Nana, not just a cabin with you. Hey, Nana, I assume one name pop. Nana, yes, I say cabin the vecino. I say cabin the vecino, you mamma. Yes.
Taxi,
a taxi baby. Not the boy I tell me car cool best you say I'm
not be order me as a 1 times 1
I say car number 2 twice it is 1 times 1
so the taxi that's right 3 times 1
Hey, Nana, hombre, ni di kakra na ya ba.
Oh, didn't break papa.
Nana, hombre, ni when ya win tem ya di bio.
Ni pa me so ano di sia.
Oh, hey, na pacho mi ni tie mi pacho. No problem. Hey,
I say say what say UK girl.
Nana, kacha na no da mi onyin fi me so say Melissa no. Ban chow.
I do we ni
tie me. Hey, Odade. Akopa me wan say. Hey. Yeah, it's a manibo. Hey, Nana, it's wrong. Bacho.
Aso very fun so.
Ana odi nsem we shia.
Eshia. Na sa osi ogira di motor no ho. E na o se kai ya besu kama.
Hey, the boy taxi na me de ba kra nya ayi Kwame Amponse de anko mfa o. Onu ya present ma.
Na Kwame de Bacho. Wasoro.
Kwame bra.
Kwame bra. Aso no. No be makra. Oye program na Kwame be makra e man text message a. Odimi dani be man oba.
Kwame bra.
Amuna maka chiro.
Dai sa. We dey anka as acting anka me hu na ma correct no. Onka sai onye sa. Kwame prepare timi nyesa.
The boy.
Kwame prepare timi nyesa. Kwame bra. The boy aso ye indirect report me amami.
Why sports cemetery? Yes. I was vandalism in this seat.
Kwame bra.
Yes.
Sesi awa mo pepra no kra kama no. Asi ye di no. Na pepra no kofa fi. Minim se me ba no. Edi na me to. Enti aba no se na sesi a fe pepra.
Yes.
Ade who was the father bi wo ba bi a minim.
He is a pyramidism mampirism.
Pyramidism of what?
A pyramidism mampirism. Ojane. Ojane ne bro for no.
Me na say wo person wo dey Kwame Edu ko to asem ba me fiu.
Me to asem bia.
Nana. On say indirect report no why yi. Say messages ni ba na nipa na ye be ma kra.
No aye no ba. O ye pen so be yi nu hu afim sesi ase no ka so no anoka.
Say we on timi yi nu hu film.
Say
TV nafa na voice no so afa.
Mo fa ni mra message ni mra.
Okay. All right. Stephen Kojo aye Dwamena Akufu.
Oyuwa.
I say keep the fire burning.
Mo.
Aha, Stephen Asemene. I say keep the fire burning.
Mo.
And only Asema Stephen Diaba. So what you say? Enti Samri Diabushia 13 after 5. And this is the Surfers Drive in the heart of the capital. So the Bamaminji Kakakra Ingo Juman Futuomo from the top to the down, and it's exactly 13 after 5, and this is how we roll it.
I do my voice on this beat.
Yeah, it is what it is, baby. But once the Ghana politics has report, and the way see my vote here against it, we see another miss my pass it. I am so Ghana Parliament. I had the so about for Frobia worm. Oh, yeah, that the own shadow who's that? Outside the corona. Oh, Nana, yeah, you know what I'm talking about, baby. We'll be heard the name. We heard that person. Who is this? Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System Penny for Seminchiao. That was shot me in Kancho says, sir, we can be do say and your party, your engagement, and your wedding, and your wedding, and that year. And that you made you for Frobia Sabre, who here canopies, who here Kongwa. Na ebana sana ense se wori wani kire baabi esa ne se wo betimi de wani a kire baabi nso ebebu aka wosim eno so hia timba na de eyi ebana san so e ha adwen timba na nse wo kobu a forestry fo so wopa entu be de anya bi ayi wosim anything that sabre make come for Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System say chumedie bi a wudi bia no so pese bibia kototen e de ma ho na sabre bibia mfomso bia ni ho na omanfo akadonfo adehye aberempon asambre ba besira ho ebe bon sem pra e de ama aka cho se mo akwapa no kwarefo wadi no kware de ama eye woman eno ani Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System for anything asambre eba sound system light system canopy efe nkonwa and asambre tables ni nyina ubenya bi o ma so efe stage nso a yetimi bo yedi djumadi bi esefata eno so mo wo bi efe wedding reception float mo mo be parties ahodo ye wo man fie kwapen ye be bi ever flow for jeje susu no 0275 042594 0275 042594 and 0540 790012 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Say we engagement. And I say outdoor in here in Congo. And I say tables there do jumedi ni nyina. I will share and how and fa kwasha wo fast for any mama fu obi nsa na chine bia nkoya busuaman so a Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System and a bebo modern aboa ama jumedi no A.K.A ko. Okay. Famomo. Give it to them. 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 Energy. Wind it up. And I midweek. Oh, I got 2 more days near the a week in Suagu. Near the good son, I won't say, baby. I am. Don Pablo Papa Penny for her. And yet, down and you put that and you feeling poso obedidi. The boy me tea. I dear back open a man no more somebody, mammy. Me baby, sissy so. One harbor for some medifu and tabe say do. And so ye Janukuma be a good crew. And a mabogu me boama somebody. Mijina Brani Anessa. Get me be anyone on my say a year shakes. Shakes in number brewum. Na me cat a year somebody at Diaba. Yakeka fra somebody. Yayano Sronko. Ain't you won me? Say a cautious show ni pedri. Now say who heard the boy and a front to talk. And yahweh. And your fresh shakes on we are ever fidrimuha. Can't get to see Don Pablo Pap. I'm seeing me into a phone and I say banana shake. Mango shake, Snow White shake, carrot shake, carrot and mango shake, carrot and banana shake, mixed fruit shake, mango, carrot and ginger shake, a virgin Snow White shake. Now, I saw more wine shop and wine beer will pay beer, name it. Once I back up both foreign and local wines, then you will be where I share it. After your home service, it is how your party engagement and then we be. Who person will work as someone who feels say ampa. They are so recommendations to your company no. They yana say obaton sadia from mama dia by your shakes a hoodway. No mama was so a feely. There was also recommendations in on the thank you. I wet. It would do. Thank you. And the mama dia for any check Mandela Junction, Crack Junction was sat back a Don Pablo Papo. Nephew, I'm about money else from some part. Now, about money you're walking so and you're surprised, you know. Eddie, Don Pablo was 0557 734 and 0552 302607 0552 302607 and 0557 734 Woke up Don Pablo Papa. I saw a bemo feedy fresh shakes aba a gamancy a fresh steaks in town. Caught Don Pablo Basher. The bemo filia Felisa. Okay. Famami, na fawami. Famami, na fawami. What? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the BCAB on a neighbor. Walk or disco. Wash a yellow. BCAB on a neighbor. Walk or disco. Wash a yellow. Rapping at the HD. Now, Peace Montessori in Penny for Sampa. If you see a dear, that's a wabomadian, ma will buffer pin papa. Na, Yamia and Atum when your baby page na. Ebanesa, would this Sikana wooden no quadruples? Would this Sikana wooden in thousands, not cities? And Naira Nanyaka, then wooden in dollars. Me bana bring me $20,000 a mini. Me bana bring me $1,000 a mini. Yes. Now for the year 2 year home. And then me mommy and I mini abaya Me no ka say otwiri na kongo se busum na wu aba woje. O pa peje ba se ne TV e beba. Me no ka say di osi adwam. Ba se hwe me bai. Ka ma bo no won ho. Ene na so den. Enti no ene wanya ba bi agina de a meje no. Eno no kra ye misa. The fra bibi eye income tax. GRA for ba we wuni mu asede e. Esese uchi revenue no. Netimi bu Ghana money tumpon. Enti aba ne sa na awofo no. Omo bo mode ye twa investment ne sa. Na omo ji omo eye pension pay na ye GRA for taxes yi ka ho a. And yeah, if you no go pay, they make you not come home at all. Anything assembly. I wish you a peace Montessori in penny for a brand new man colani in our fapim. Ye man colani fapim my crutch. So what you say? A bombardier to tea almost runko. I'll see basic 5. Nan you kumi our peace Montessori on say. Yeah, but more coin on the 10th. And colani baby, yeah, moment 10 years so on that. Irrespective of your various classes, no, you're running a year vacation classes at the man college. It's a color so better if you not Kwakube dimpe pragro. No wapira Kwakube ko bifie. Na Yakobo Crono Ashano. Kwakuba Modia Okisi on per classroom. Debbie, Yan Padisa, 80 vacation classes, the man college. Na Peace Montessori in Penny for the Upe School a hotel. School assignment more good access road. School aminuka some more school bus. Na school bus you kwa fana na kwa for roba. School assignment more conducive environment for studies. School more spacious classroom blocks. And your master here. What a cropone crapping hostel dancing shoe fabric contemporary. So I want impressive colors in a boy him from 1050-5829261 and a 020-0177676 and a 0279-267523. Peace Montessori. I see a baby Madia. Actual Sampa Ubano Fapim no yet ye see it ye one teacher, 12 students. Okay. 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 Right at Japaya Construction and General Merchant depending for 7 chiamo. Naman catch us at the end of the minute to be a shit. Only shishi, be a show mo. I made us so super die. And yes, I will be na minimum no. That makes me die. On in them Niasunko Niako Magis and Suatana to Iranche Miatono. No, so I can say that she makes me die. If you read do any cacrebis or say me die after that said me we. If you ras or no by a fine almost say cacrebia now review. I was a Japaya Construction and General Merchant in Penny for say. Omo ma densia for it's an said ye young pokrasa we government worker uji a ketrefa a accountant general and a controller. Ye bebo modia anywhere si dan fe. And for we Jumayeni Assembly, we need to bosome 50-50 dagrafa. What is written? KK. A year first, nesu one account anymore. And you know, kind of text messages are who do issue. And you may patch out ya two way, as we wait them. Ever sign any Jenkua and your money two bank a Japaya Construction and General Merchant. Now, Obama would dance in I am Nakai eba quarry block 5 inches and 6 inches. Afe eba sand block 5 inches and 6 inches. Hollow block 5 inches and 6 inches. And I open what trip a tipemu. And I open what track and a rhino. And I open head pan cry at abo and I open the same my a tipemu. Rhino and I said track. And I say head palmo. And ring in our bedroom. Umpe when I pay you will ensure somebody supply. Baby Biara we should be as open for both a domestic and commercial use. Nina, you won't share a bit media bow. Now, would you do to media pepe your banding wires? A yes, cement to your tuntobi. na bushia kai wo to so me ba ko ye aso ye mienu ye de be kwa koja free ba bia wo bia Ejapa ye e wo daw ekwapem wo be daw filling station no wo betimi from 0244 719814 kayo say Ejapa ye wo live band so it is how your wedding engagement a year jumadi bia wudi bia wo live band no Ejapa ye wo 0244 719814 Ejapa ye ana oso be mo jumadi no IP so 26 after 5. F2 Ventures in Pennyfor say about bridal collection service. Share in Kotobia Crusade than F2. Make my boy Ramu Hoda. It's an enemy baby or hey, Abigail net to say F2 Ubomadia Kopiemo Hoa. Send your Mubesi Fakramo Akwaaba Sonkono. A plus. Wawo boutique. And I feel Omuya bridal collection. Abushia Menoka say F2 Ebeye training institution intensive training at the ama afofro na ni America anani ame patch and say omuma training F2 training institute Emma training at the mamu amu pesa mo bin e wo bridal fan fascinator balloon decoration mo na oda me ade oba ha me said unso twupons ne sa onye makeup prince bia da na wedding day no e no betwi kakra is anim no F2 for manim na e crystal clear dada eti you don't need to be told that enye brush e be brush ne e be tro say ye ho ofe eti na bay F2 for bomodin to nani achi kama ene wivo yinso a wa shey wa she bomodin a she nanim aso broni ba na China ni ba all can chiffon. F2 Pennyfor so what bra. The here is a where JHS and SHS. Nebema intensive training for 1 month. After also our 6-month training no. Ya nebema. The here is over 100 Ghana cedi for materials manual and certificate. That just F2 abaso be 1 month for and yes sika no or you interested. Kayo so we 50 Ghana cedi. Na washe jumedi na say date you know 11 December 2021 0595273883 0595273783 omo opposite Mandela Market you know ekropone kwapem ehono na Samri F2 ko na ni omunko din south so na ube filia ma Okay. All right, it's time for us to also hit you back to back with great music on your radio. Akwaaba Drive no asugusu awiti. Shout outs going out to you, Oshim Boy. Oshim Boy, what do you do? Bibi abako de binya. Se bibia boko baby abutu afi mami cha na kwabna obrimpon se bibia boko odishe na minchia minua eye slice ziggy were right FM afi michia eye K7 DJ Lincoln ewa bright mami chia adofo and DJ Police DJ Mix ewa being michia munyina but right about time there it is my section to rule the world.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, yes, baby. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My say, Oplekese Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo Pesa Utia, Intimate Baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Meja kase, Okoman, asokwa chumoye jideke. Eto bar, to bu afa
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon. Debia Mitie Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio. A Jew Ekwapi mine. Debia Tie 97.1. Okuma.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Okuma Radio, Kongela Papala Yole, Okuma Radio 97.1. No fair, no for no Okuma Radio 97.1. When gets the sport so many love penny and your name.
Ogapi mine, I am one with this year. Abilokos, Captain retired back up. Nana Jen and Rebel brother share. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Mantam when now was so call our Mantam, and so they almost can for radio to Okuma Radio. Let's see and the Pania Koniaku. What I say.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ogapi mine, I am one with this year. Abilokos, Captain retired back up. Nana Jen and Rebel brother share. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Mantam when you now was so call our Mantam, and so they almost sitting in the camp for cry. For radio to Okuma Radio, let's see and the Pania Koniaku. What I say. Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint back up. I'm on for a kufu road. Okuma Radio. Oh, we are the champion money. Okuma from my bank and you. Can you cry? Must say that we are. Minimum have cry, no poor you and a Jew. There's some beer with you. Only size what
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. I want to be watching Castro back up no size. Okuma for my de papa. Me feel them. Okuma for my monkey be woo. Okuma for my Jenina. Mumone yo. Ya mama do my pa. And then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing tree.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon. Debia Mitie Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio. A Jew Ekwapi mine. Debia Tie 97.1. Okuma.
Assalamu alaikum Okuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon for frère Yaro. Munti Okuma Radio da.
Okoman A.K.A. De Phynest. Okunu muya dini hu Okoman. Okoman Akwaaba. Okoman A.K.A. De Phynest. Ubu Ekwapi mana ati Okoman A.K.A. De Phynest. Okunu muya dini hu Okoman. Okoman Akwaaba. Okoman A.K.A. De Phynest. Okoman Ubu Ekwapi mana ati
Okuma Radio 97.1.
And it's exactly 35 after 5. The boy Atanase Nana Odamia A.K.A. Lady Mushaf. What's it, Pepe? Eti mami Mama Kwaba Anasa, and then as some more de Bremedia to say, Receipt bede me mama Akwaba.
Yeah.
Na bibi aboko de.
Oh, me who you say Obapa's cuisine.
Obapa de
cuisine.
Eno na way.
Oh, some do call Methodist one.
It's one and can say you call 12:30. It's you go there.
Oh yeah. Me na di ko chia mo and the governor. Governor nyame che ne governor.
Obapa's cuisine.
Me had more channel say kwamba ho a if the road is open on your side. Yes, I'll just you bro for no back. Bro for man kasa ma tro ma di o. Yes,
so you just do me what?
I'll ginger katwa bimazim.
You ginger katwa.
Yeah.
No chair say.
Just me no be call no so call Philibi. Yeah, I know your second one. I know third English in way 1 2 3 yes and you know no yeah I know
right
and
what did Sambo
and I'm what Kodatis Prum
Kodatis Prum
Kodatis now at you assume say show tana maso ya ko you niema yes
nzo tadi ani ko you niema nzo ni tadi ani. It is about Kudas. Anyway, it's all set and rolling. Yeah.
When I want to now. Calvary Hill, kind of so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Uchi Pao.
Yeah. Oh, the back of Pono. Now me down for being 1 and you come. A true Pabono. I met a lot of people, including Yankopo himself. Yes. Yamiches and Pawas Namishan. Kings. Watch it near a cuisine urano. Or no, Adriabon say no.
Fabiola.
Yeah, Fabiola. Or bomb pie or pen pie bottle. And near Nima, Omodos be brave. Be brave. Mincha me reso yumre. Tracksuit ni biaba.
On the proper.
Yeah, biaba. Oh,
maybe.
Okay. Yeah, tracksuit no top net down.
Only red and black, mommy.
Red and black.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me penny ever come here.
The Kwame into color no black na ye and I red no stand for energy happiness. I am one say
red mo ye shakosu.
Ya na one was in Yakopon class me who muja na mekai me twam. Yeah, or mekai bibi no twam. Yeah.
Me colors here red and
me the Dawson.
Red and black.
Yeah.
Apart from me pe color.
Okay.
And I mean so now me pe brown pa.
Kwame obema bi up red. Obema bi
o steady me wiki ankasa ma red and check.
Obema bi up red. Don't see me cancer but na dey answer.
Okay. All right. Yanko ye nante na
me nkra no bone ma sorry ba ani.
Okay.
Me am sorry ba. And obehu me say me was asante me fama no na ono so me kwasem Kwame 3 years ni me dey asase ma asore bai wa do asase so 3 years omre me hwe ana mahu obi ana me say me dey asase be ma no enti me ka je say asase ne meje da bia me ka meje onfi me ana me kwa asase so me koye no ne wadua no ba ye me twitwa ni nyina agu ye and me Canada na me bu afu me twitwa me say kontom ne bro die den.
That Bible say Emma owianto wa abufu.
Bible na ka ani dey say ya twira to. Opa
na so for wa sorry ba na me kaza se mu je asama timi ka je me ni.
Trinity and Sanipa. O your crofo na go Trinity about the same thing.
Into Okoman how and I go Trinity.
Timi twitwa ni nyina guye. From twitwa ni nyina guye no na sorry mpanyifo se oh. Ja asomo ni asum ye kwa ko asase no. O dia na amukọ na mo se asase no. Se me dia no wa chire.
Anya odi anu kra na akoko.
Na ono se odo asase mienu. Enti me dia no wa chire. Ana obi dia no wo anim. Enti ne wa anim no
anya wasase.
Anya wasase. Na matwitwa ne manago. Enti omo se me ntua 100,000, 10,000, 100 million.
100 million.
Enti me boa me ho. Ana me disika no. Omo fra asa disika no. Eche ono ansa. Ana ogiye. Ana asore mari nyina bompa ye na asore mpanyifo no. Afa okofie ba ya. Wo sika no nso 1,000 cedis. It's even 9,000. So some say, man, no fear, man, 5 na sha won sa. O say am the sha won sa. Na fi na go back jam say 9,000 ya ire was cancel 1,000 cedis. Men tia say 90 china. And nem mo wi say kensini me yamfum so me twa woni magu ane me twagu. Ane say me pataw, ma pataw 10,000. Kwame omo ka say scan 1,000 cedis am nyin di ne anyi china.
Nim say obua.
Me ba wa e na mbo me na go fie.
Ayma.
Me no dey go fie wo.
Chiri asemi. Ubo sika no so. Ana odi she envelope mu.
Sika no. Onu onim ni opese oyenti. Wa ma hu sika no. Aso mpanyifo yem bi sika no mo da bi. Adan yenye ni ana osofo ana so obi okanya mesem ne yetum na yesi obi ade no ene jameji sika no na mekoye cause already na me pese ye betwe asem ni mu ye bompa ne ye kofi afa mi kofi na me we sika na me hu se sika idie 10,000 like sika na ekwa na 10,000 ti me bie mu ampampa sika na 1,000 ehwa na me frame panyimfo e back am ka chom se papa na ye me kalabule na mama me 1,000 sit da say yeah men bie sika no so wo che se me no ma fa 9,000 ena me ba be ka se wa ma me 1,000 to papa yi ofa bible odi tro se ni oti wo ka se e ko trinity bana wo ye kronfa san ko san no ti me hwe na nima
sana wa ti ana na sika no man ka o mani na ko ka ofie o ka sika no ofie
o sofo na one ne kasa sei
papa ba nya
mi asore panyi asore panyi nu sofo wo e banya den a medu ho den a medu sofo ho den a ba bia na mo den a medu ho den a medu ho wa onye kronfo no na mafuo masase 3 years wa mre me hwe den ho hwe ho
asase pa enre ya na afi
ase 0555 0554 7755 wohra asem wey hwan ena orika no kware e
wa ha
hwan na put asem odi shebe die
odi she saloni o
papa bi monochrome mia me de she ba ko pe ha be sra me kakra why
mate
okuma ni
ofiete
salo samre bomani a che wadwe wasemi o
oni sa asem na to lady asomeda obi ma mi sika man hye mi later na me pese mi bo sika na sika na nso me free ni pa no ni ba ni se David se na magi sika na kodu fie ni de ene sika na so na me ka se ni se nti sa de ne sisi pa nti se obi ma obi bi se na nim ho na wo kan
wo mo so wo ko bank ground ko sika yes we the money at the counter
me say e bi ma just say ndi wundi
sisi ano so de kodu fie na be ka se ni se nso no obede na wakati enye una we obekase una we because so dia kodu fie
mo
uyi wa anu biara enye
mo
enye yo
sade no yese yehwe
mo
salobera say eno ajeche 05546677 55 0554667755 odi shebe ni
amba chefe man to paruchata
na bibi aboko de
o nyankopon do bi aboko
odi she man te kire wadwere wasemi o
we mpacho bese bisa berma ni se adin tira wa ma lady adin tira wa ma nan kai scan on ani
mpacho musum bisa o se me de ahoma chesere nana
enyo na say o ti say enyi wu
mante ye ko mo bisa ma se me yisum bisa obi o ti say ye ka asem no wo mission aso no o ti say me de ahoma chesere se ma nan kai sika nana
wa for man chesere o ka sa se lady ni ka say o ka chire obi se o se okaso mani kai sikano ana okasi antupa se watwa atura na
metwa da atura ana na wanti awon fa ba force anti ano
papa ye ni papa
yo una wa mana anti sikano ama obi ko fie uli se elfriti no
masa utu asem to so me no be hwehwe mu wate
David uto ompre mana nti wade na no
na oni ho
no ni
kanya unim kanya unim
mate menase ma me fa for wa homa so 0551667755 ose kanya oni jebe ni
Phynest first
tio safari boko de me de she
ana le bia boko
ma fo pa okoma ni
o fie pe
me de she che wadwe wasemi o
le no wa yan fun so bebe o bi se abranta no nyo gedu wasa kai skano wona nanum amana hu odi akofi ansa na wo se skana so dia ene wa na wa za mistake ni nyina
Bajo nkaza abranta na me asore panyi e fa mposu mame
asore panyi mponi
yeah
0554667755 0554667755 odi shebe ni
odi shodro ni
na bibi aboko de me de she
na me adu bibi aboko
na ene ubutu yin na me ka sei
ebutu
chakrotia okoma ni
okuyapmanga no
odi she che wadwe wasemi o
obia no wedi mu frasem
was at the bank na go ko no ko ji scan and scan sia.
Yes.
Ultimate ko say or the scan go catch us scan anso.
That's
Yeah, you can the mo fra no can.
Me for 10,000 now.
Madam bo fra.
Me say 0551 667755 0551 667755. Odisha be ni.
Actually, say Vicky new.
Papa be me him I won't say that Okoman ni.
Okay, my
First class wo.
my volume.
Na mo to say wo ho.
Na me adumu.
Che wadwe wasebi o.
Me pa show you. I'm say I'm fias na baba ne fa. Asase ne say na sorry penny di ntino. Odowa omo wanya busa. Kwa de na obi be ma asase na be yeso afu na wo fa bi nkoma no.
Mibi.
Na obedi ni nyina.
Odi ni nyina.
Papa ni bube fu.
Answer.
Na de so how yi nyina ba. Into what would you kind to see papa and son of papa
Messi papa na man no.
Papa
Oga se mama majuma do ase mawia no ye.
Why we am?
Why we am? And we be too because I can't say scano. O can't so be kind of can't say kind. And guys say oh yeah wow now kind. I want any mo so dey ni di se men kan na di nyo ni pa bi ani.
Onyimi ni ofra ye den. Yanyi ni pa ni ofra radio so ye den.
Because na ani bu fu mo ti mo ko ju twa wo ba yere ni ade nyina no. Why lucky kura so di bi se man ko fa hwe kura nsem. Ma.
Emeyi me o ka bi ma me na zo bu matan.
Oh I make me that say 0554667755. Eja ko tell ani ana.
That ani.
Na bibi aboko de champion Taylor ba kopa wo ugapema mu.
That's it.
Okoman ni.
Okoman ya no.
Ode chiche wadwiro wasemi o.
Yo, na question is somewhere there actually probably akasi nyina bakanya ni ma tuma bebe. But the mistake na ye say because you obi di ba so on that so kan. Maybe to do all people band be my busy. Oh, what the action. Obi tikem what the atuba kanen. Can it have to lead na mistake one kind of why mistake. And then don't think why mistake.
Come tell her why mistake.
Come tell her
me this come on what's one kind.
Right 0554667755 0554667755. Audition be ni. Audition be ni.
Senate new.
Na wo kasa fi audition.
Okoman
ni.
Okoman ni.
Okoman ni se ofie pe.
Okoman ni.
Ofie pe, itiche wadwo asemi.
Bogoye.
Nyame adom na unso e.
Baba no mi se bibi ya no. Alo bibi ya no.
Bibi how Bibi how
Oh bibi how.
Now bibi how an ka Africa ka wa somewhere.
Pressure also na wo.
Well pressure news. Wo pressure news so credit kura no e na sa kro no. Me amayi sika 100 million. Ama me yoko yire. Wadi masasi mu no bae. Me banche control wa wini nyina awie. Masema no 100 million ka ho.
Adishe be ni.
Udi ani cemetery ho na obetena.
Adishe be ni.
Bra o hwe ti ma mra obibi ama na
ha. Your friend na nekia.
Na nekia kasafi.
Pacho me kasafi
Ebru boko de ohima.
Ya me adune.
Adishe Okoman ni. Che wadwe wasemi umidishe.
In fact, yeah, parents. The boy hug you. Or hug you. Oh no, the baby still also putting in fan ahead.
But just have na mindi so for ye. Na fe na want tie mu. Ma how adu. Ma ba jusika. Mabaju sika. Sika na media mo bi na wan kan so be 90 million and 90 million sika ketwa.
Na ku ave na se wa friend na Oni shebeni.
Hello.
Me di shebeni.
Me kaka fi nyambe kire.
Nyame ba kire boko di odi she.
Boko.
Okoman ye.
Muka che papa ni se. Asamuno. Emi de last time no ade na okoye no yemi de pa. Yemi de pa se o breno to asase no de ama obi se onyere mu nyina mu omunya obedi.
Me mani bi.
O mano.
Wan kasa me ma hwe.
Ye kom no kasa.
Nti anu kuma ye ni yawo ni kuma
me kuma ye mi ya. Nyame nipa kasa.
Oye nyame nipa bati oye nyame nipa.
Dabi una oye nyame nipa kasa mpa mo twaso.
Mimi ya nyame nipa bati ye kuma no kuma o krofo from
move
from sa ye hu ye kuma baby a oti no obi a nim baby a ye kuma ti nti as obeyi ade ma obi a obedure no ho asa na obeye man
yes me ni adwe so offer so be di matam nya sa
obi na o dia asase ni man no
opesa kira mami na de asase ni man no
oyen boko
ono akabia ma wo
akabia ma me wo enya me da nyame ni pa nyame jira
obi kabia ma kra
ase opesa kire se ono a wo de wasase ni kra ma na o ma hwe wo obu kwasia
obu kwasia
ade shebe ni
Dr. Boz ni
Dr. Boz Kasafi Ebru boko de me de she
boko
Okoman ni
ofie pe
ade hihye wa adwere wasemi o
na oba no ada na wan boska no so
papa ya no se mi yeso se mi yeso ache se mi ni
David na odi kofi aye kanta Africa obeka ne den
uti kura ne ye
se me boni amaye ne se makoja asori panyin adi enu pe ne boni amaye
kanta Africa wa boka
nti e de be court asori panyin
David odi court asika no so mi nim hu hwe ade na obeye
ye be bodua
David dia bonu so utimi mo
dia bonu kwa utimi mo de ko fie wo dia kwa odem
se usuro
what is kind kwa o samba ya se skare ya kanta Africa unu mu hwe me so bi ni mu hwe
mo wa ya de boss ubenya ache
boss me da say hello flower friend mama mfa two more calls la fe me mfa friend phone nyina nsi odi she bi aba homa so odi she be ni hello
hello good evening
sweetheart your friend say na Kasafi
me dey call you
Ebru boko de
nyame ado
me ma kasa la mitie
mo kanjira mata de simrante ni zo man hunyu na ya mana ata ma buruso
mesro mabewia wa de me pacho
o te min ka che se ma hunyo
ana mi se mabewia na de
mi se ma hunyo na
mabewia mabewia de den
ono kasa
mi se mabewia o den minua
mi se ma hunyo
mi se den na ma ye won kan hwe
yo Martin Vedasi audition set one so afraid actually waje mama family last call our home
mama asasi do what do asasi
667
se me ma obi na di
mo audition be ni
audition etimu Kasafi
oh champion cobbler onye shoemaker onye cobbler is so Ghana for nyina no adoya wo ye no Yakupon koso enhira why one wabuhia
amen
let us say yani eso bibi biara wo ye de bo aye masa tie mo Okoman ni
ofiepe
ade hihye wadwe wasemi o
na me kan se papa nke na ni osofo nke ni bufu ya wa nhwe ta asase na ababa na bia ne ma no wo na asase na se ye na se ku ko twagu ya nse na hu se asase na ye ne na ababa na bia wo so no obwo ball
mo
masa
ankobeka tiame nyamia na chi oka credit na sa ankobeka ba bia kon me hwe papa ya no na no beto me ya se me ma me honyo mama wasase do so na wudidi na woman bia se me honyo
ana wakasa kwados me na me obia besi ame kwados asase so
okay last call bia ba homan so ni shebe ni
Oba president
papa me ma na Kasafi
me ya say connected
me da say oh I want to say na me go say no right ezro e kira ye beba Okoman ni
ofiepe
me ma che wadwe wasemi o
Bacho mbese mi bisa nana oda mi asem ba ko pe.
Nana ti.
Mbese mi bisa ne se. Odi sika no ko fie na o kan no. Wan na di adanse ma no. Se sika ne nso.
Chese me wo ba we di 4 years. Na abofran so to me nka hye. Enti na chese me asema ye moboni.
Atwe di obi adanse ama.
Obi ani wo. Ni nipa boni ti ni kunu twane ahoma chinja no.
Ojane fa no jane.
Na asem na kokko ta enye.
Enye na judge ne kura ho o sika de ko ba ko.
Na me bo odie. Ya na me bo.
Judge kura ntumi na dia.
Anyway, media adwuma die ni nyina asie ne. Na adofo. Okay, ba me fa last call. Last call your friend say no kasafi.
The Casia Ukugwa.
Judge yourself, Niana.
Judge yourself,
and me name, Papa, me godfather. Now let me say to your birthday, no.
Hey,
hello, who's
ready? Yo, my
Nana, come on. What's the birthday at the end away? Right. Judge yourself, what you are saying, you.
Nothing, what this come out now to step. One kind of home now to step. What's about? And then you. Into where I would have met Paucho, what's up on your day?
Yo, Martin, I
would have Paucho, what's up on your day?
Oh, that
you're great to me, Nadia. Okay,
I was your meeting me for February. You're from an Kwame Mpere A.K.A to me from the finance. Remember, I catch you in me.
Me, I feel like for bags. School for bag ne bag e kwa sore ana mpapo afi bonya bai mambo se mu yemi no first class
Jasmine apo
Jasmine and Jasmine ama and Jasmine ama
voice the boy
Jasmine obone ma me din chem say me ncha me you fit
right Virgin voice and why advert pa
basket we were so fast one
free anyway oba hima Vic Mrs. Victoria Akpene Ohene Sedega no the may use Mrs. Victoria Akpene Sedega Ohene den Dako baby awo bia A.K.A
that's right dini nyina mfini so
A.K.A the boy rinti ono no be A.K.A the girl mama wisdom mama girl
na di ma for pe
mungoto ni mani bi mungoto bi mu ano mungoto pa na nyefe
yenchia we so minche mame royal antina
antina we are grabbing one 18 michiano yes antina michia Equapim Hills Preparatory International you're from Royals eti pa antina say bibia boko there I'm sure you're from an Kwame Mpere A.K.A from the finest and mema nyina ka training me say nyame money e da so ti ase a nyampa echena me no mbesa be ma me fast like say Victor ohene da kulisto wo asire di ho enkoma me nua ba nana odamia A.K.A London ozo ye kwa na afia oyede oye
me akosia
akosia London ozo ma me ma yede welcome what that crome what be pa we dey nyari oye DJ Donzi AMA official DJ Ziggy B and ekuta me technical and social media nyame amma echna yebeshia me no wedding crap me ko
fire blazing.
1, 2, African carnival party, rhythm international party. Give me the version, hands for me, they run the whole nation.